बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाज़िर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 15 दिसंबर 2024 के अखबार में। छीपा कॉल सेंटर के लिए लड़कों की ज़रूरत है। छीपा वेलफेयर के शोबा अफरादी क़ुव्वत को बड़ी तादाद में छीपा कॉल सेंटर के लिए मैट्रिक पास नौजवान लड़कों की ज़रूरत है जो कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर भी हों। पुरकशिश तनख्वाह, दरख्वास्त शनाख्ती कार्ड की फ़ोटो कॉपी, एक हालिया अदद पासपोर्ट साइज़ की तस्वीर और मुकम्मल कवाइफ के हमरा। इंटरव्यू के लिए सुबह 10 बजे तशरीफ़ लाएँ। नोट, ओरिजिनल शनाख्ती कार्ड, ओरिजिनल तालीमी सर्टिफिकेट और दीगर ओरिजिनल असनाद इंटरव्यू के वक्त अपने साथ लाजमी तौर पर ज़रूर लेकर आएँ। राब्ता फ़ोन 10-20 छीपा हेड ऑफिस FTC पुल शाहराह फैसल कराची। छीपा वेलफेयर को ड्राइवरों की ज़रूरत है। छीपा वेलफेयर के शोबा अफरादी क़ुव्वत को बड़ी तादाद में ड्राइवरों की ज़रूरत है। दरख्वास्त शनाख्ती कार्ड की फ़ोटो कॉपी के हमरा। इंटरव्यू के लिए सुबह 10 बजे तशरीफ़ लाएँ। राब्ता फ़ोन 10-20 छीपा हेड ऑफिस FTC पुल शाहराह फैसल कराची। क्रिएटिव वीडियो कैमरामैन की ज़रूरत है जो कम से कम 2 से 3 साल किसी चैनल या प्रोडक्शन हाउस में काम करने का मुकम्मल तजुर्बा रखते हों। दरख्वास्त के हमरा। इंटरव्यू के लिए सुबह 10 बजे तशरीफ़ लाएँ। राब्ता फ़ोन 10-20 छीपा हेड ऑफिस FTC पुल शाहराह फैसल कराची। सुई सदरन गैस कंपनी की जॉब है। एम्प्लॉय अपॉर्चुनिटीज़। सुई सदरन गैस कंपनी लिमिटेड, a leading public sector utility company in Pakistan, is looking to fill the following specialized positions with qualified, experienced and dynamic professional who can add value to the organization's progress. Serial number, position, and minimum qualification and experience. Services department positions: 1 Chief Engineer HVAC and Amenities, job code 8397-01. Engineering graduate, preferably in mechanical/industrial with at least 9 years of experience. Interested candidates are encouraged to visit our website https://www.ssgc.com.pk/career/for details/job description and to apply online within 15 days of the publication of advertisement. For internal candidates, continuity of service shall be given as per company's policy. Shortlisting and selection shall be on merit based only. The above positions carry market competitive compensation package. SSGCL is an equal opportunity employer and women are encouraged to apply. Job opportunities: Regional Blood Center Sakhar is partner with Health Department, Government of Sindh to process and distribute screened blood and blood components to the patients of the designated civil hospitals. Serial number 1 vacant post, Manager Administrative Operations, qualification MBA, MP, MPH, location Sakhar, experience 3 to 5 years in hospital sector. Number 2 blood transfusion officer, qualification MBBS, location Sakhar, Jacob-Abad, Khairpur, Ghotki, experience 2 years in hospital blood bank center. Number 3 lab manager, qualification MPhil/MSc/MLT, blood banking Sakhar, 3 to 5 years in hospital blood banking/laboratory sector. Number 4 biomedical engineer, BS in biomedical science Sakhar, 1 to 2 years in hospital/laboratory sector. Number 5 lab technologist, BS honors MLT, BS honors biochemistry, BS honors microbiology, 4 years program Sakhar, fresh. Note: apply online and send your CVs and cover letters to rbc.suk.hr@gmail.com, yusuf.abid@rbcsakhar.com within 10 days of publication of advertisement. अच्छा जी, एक और जॉब है फौरी वीज़ा ज़रूरत बराए सऊदी अरब। फौरी ई नंबर, उम्र की हद 45 साल। शिरकाए मजमूआ ज़ैदुल हसन कंपनी के लिए दर्ज झैल अफराद की फौरी ज़रूरत है। सऊदी या गल्फ रिटर्न ट्रैक हैवी ड्राइवर पुरकशिश तनख्वाह। JCB ऑपरेटर तनख्वाह 1600 प्लस ओवर टाइम। अल मरजान एंटरप्राइजेस ऑफिस, फ्लैट नंबर 35, रहमत सेंटर 128, मरकज़ इस्लामाबाद पाकिस्तान 0310203331, 0310203331 एंड 0514938104205206, 0514938104205104 10456। ईमेल almarjan@gmail.com। Almarjan Enterprises oversees employment motors। PMTF Pakistan Machine Tool Factory career opportunities manager business development Pakistan Machine Tool Factory PMTF, a leading manufacturer of precision engineering goods, is seeking a highly skilled, smart and energetic manager business development, transmission and defense product. Qualification BE Mac plus diploma/MBA in related field. Experience 10 to 15 years of experience in relevant field. Age up to 50 years. Resident of Karachi preferred. Retired armed forces officer of lieutenant colonel/equivalent rank may also apply. Application process: interested candidates meeting the criteria may drop their CVs at recruitment@pmtfl.com with the position title in the subject line. Within 15 days of this advertisement, only relevant profiles will be shortlisted and contacted for interviews. HR Department, Pakistan Machine Tool Factory, Landhi, Karachi. Telephone number +922135082449, +922135082449। Islamabad Electric Supply Company Limited. Career opportunities at Chief Executive Officer IESCO. Islamabad Electricity Supply Company IESCO is a leading power distribution company of Pakistan, serving more than 3.88 million customers with annual revenue base of over rupees 522 billion. Having operational jurisdiction that covers 6 districts, namely Islamabad, Rawalpindi, Murree, Attock, Jhelum and Chakwal. The company is actively looking for high caliber team leader for the position of Chief Executive Officer who has demonstrated capability and potential to lead and keep the company on the track of persistent growth and creating value for the good of its customers. Qualification: bachelor degree in engineering, electrical/electronics/business administration/public administration/management sciences/finance/commerce or equivalent from reputed institution duly recognized by HEC. Preference will be given to the candidates having master degree in above disciplines or ओहो ये क्या हो गया, or be a member of a recognized body of professional accountants. Experience: the candidate must possess at least 20 years of verifiable experience with at least 3 years experience at senior management/C-level positions in large scale organization comparable in size and financial scale. Age limit up to 62 years at the last date of submission of application. Fill and proper criteria: the candidate must comply with the fit and proper criteria and other conditions as prescribed in the state-owned enterprises (में C-level appointments) guidelines 2024, the Companies Act 2017 and the State-Owned Enterprises Governance and Operation Act 2023. Remuneration package: market-based remuneration package. commensurate with qualification and experience of selected candidate along with company maintained accommodation and vehicle besides medical facility as per company policy. Term of the contract. The initial contract shall be for a period of 3 years with annual evaluation to be conducted by the Board of Directors BOD IESCO. Instructions: Number 1, the candidate must be a Pakistani citizen. Number 2, selected candidate shall be required to decide / liquidate / seek early retirement or sever their connection / lien with parent department immediately before joining IESCO. Number 3, additionally, candidates are required to download / file / attach the prescribed application form and declaration form as available on IESCO website www.iesco.com.pk. 4. Applicants will submit signed printed copy of the online application form through courier service / registered mail service along with the following documents: A. Copy of detailed CV. B. Copy of CNIC. C. Declaration or non-judicial stamp paper of requisite value ₹100 or above as per specimen available on the IESCO websites, confirming that the candidate is not ineligible to act as Chief Executive Officer in accordance with the provisions of the Companies Act. Rules and the supporting guidelines. D. Copies of degrees / testimonials duly verified by the Higher Education Commission, HEC, or the professional body or association, whichever is relevant. E. Applicant with foreign academic qualification must furnish HEC equivalent certificate, attested copy of registration with professional governing body or PEC. All pages of the application should be numbered and signed by the applicant. Number 5. The applicants must reach at the below mentioned address within 15 days from the date of पब्लिशिंग ऑफ एडवर्टाइजमेंट. ये ऐड आया है 15 दिसंबर 2024. रोज़नामा जंग कराची, इतवार 15 दिसंबर 2024 का ऐड है ये. Application incomplete in any respect or received after due date will not be entertained and no claim whatsoever thereof will be acceptable. The candidates already working in government / semi-government / autonomous public organizations can also apply through proper channel along with NOC of their department issued on its letterhead. If the applicant possesses experience of working in the public sector or public sector company, his experience in a position of BS20 or equivalent to BS20, whether on substantive basis or on additional charge or acting charge or current charge or look after basis or upgraded basis or on additional charge or acting charge or current charge or look after basis or upgraded to BS20 shall qualify as senior management experience. To determine relevancy of senior management experience, candidates are required to mention their reporting hierarchy, channel of command, substantive pay scale of post and date of upgradation if any. Candidates shall produce all original documents at the time of interview. IESCO reserves the right to withhold / cancel the whole recruitment process at any stage without assigning any reason. Candidate should apply only if he / she fulfills the eligibility criteria. Number 13. Only shortlisted candidates will be invited for interview / selection process. Number 14. No TA / DA will be admissible for interview / selection process. Note candidates who have already applied under the previous advised dated 29/9/2024 will automatically be considered during the evaluation. Director General HR IESCU Head Office Street 40 Sector G 7/4 Islamabad. Telephone number 0519252080 0519252080. Fax 05192529270 051925 fax 0519252927 0519252927 and telephone number 0519252080. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में ब्यूटी पार्लर के वो वाले एड्स मैं शेयर करूँगी जो कि आए थे रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 15 दिसंबर 2024 के अखबार में। ब्यूटी पार्लर गुलशन इकबाल में मशहूर ब्यूटी पार्लर को हेयर केमिकल वर्क एक्सपर्ट, ब्यूटिशियन एक्सपर्ट और मैनेजर की ज़रूरत है। सिर्फ लेडीज़ रब्ता करें। अपनी CV इस नंबर पर व्हाट्सएप करें 0331244763 0331244763। हन्नास ब्यूटी सलून को 2 फीमेल हेल्पर्स की फौरी ज़रूरत है। राबिता डिफेंस फेज़ 2 एक्सटेंशन रब्ता करें 034181255154 034181255154। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।